Welcome to Spring LIB.
So this is a simple problem here. It says two railroad cars, each of mass 56,000 kilogram, are traveling at 95 kilometers per hour towards each other. So we have the two cars, they're traveling towards each other and they collide head on and they come to rest. So how much thermal energy is produced in the collision? So we'll use the conservation of energy here, where all the kinetic energy initially is converted to thermal. So the total kinetic energy before is half times 2 times mass, which is 56,000 kilograms. And we need to convert the velocity to kilometers per hour to meter per second. So 95 divided by 3.6. That is equals to E thermal. So if you solve that, you get 3.9 times 10 to the power of 7 joules. All the kinetic energy of both the cars is converted to thermal energy here.